In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix can't run command prompt as administrator in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type user, account, control. This one, change user account control settings. Now we just need to simply go into this option. So currently I am at the lowest, but in order to fix the issue, we need to go with what is recommended and that we need to go to the third level. Okay? And simply click on OK. Then the next thing that we can do is we need to go to the Windows search bar and type netplwiz. Click on it under the best match. Then go to the okay. Let me do it again. So click on your account and then just simply go to properties. Then click on group membership. Then make sure this is administrator. Okay, make sure this is administrator. Then you have to simply click on apply and click on OK. So in order that you can make a changes from here, simply check this option. Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Simply choose your user account and then go to the properties and make sure to click on the group membership and select the administrator option. Apply and then OK and then apply and then OK. After doing so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.